session, our objective will be to recognize that two triangles having an equal angle between respectively equal sides are congruent. We will first review the ideas that we took before. What is the first rule to prove congruent triangles? The rule was, two triangles having respectively equal sides are congruent. What is the second rule to prove? We are going now to discuss the third rule, which is SAS. As you see, we have two triangles ABC and A'B', C'. We need to prove them congruent by the method SAS. We will first notice the given that we have in front of us in these two figures. We have side BC is equal to side B', C'. Side AC is equal to side A', C'. Angle ACB is equal to angle A', C', B'. If you notice that angle C is equal to angle C', this angle is found between two equal sides. Then we could say that these two triangles are congruent by side angle side because they have an angle equal between two respectively equal sides. We will move now triangle A'B', C' to check if they are identical. We notice that they are having the same shape and the same size, then they are congruent. Pay attention. If two triangles have an angle equal that is not between two respectively equal sides, they are not congruent. Now, we will try to prove triangles ABC and A'B', C' to be congruent. Side BC is equal to side B', C'. Side AC is equal to side A', C'. Angle ACB is equal to angle C', A', B', but side AB clearly is not equal to side A', B'. Then these two triangles cannot be congruent because the angle that they have is not included between the two equal sides. Then we cannot say that they are congruent. Now, triangle ABC and A'B', C', we are going to prove them congruent by the method that we learned, which is side angle side. Side BC is equal to side B', C'. Side AC is equal to side A', C'. The angle included between them, which is angle ACB, is equal to angle A', C', B'. Then, these two triangles have an angle equal between respectively equal sides, then they are congruent. Let's now check if they are identical in shape and size. Yes, they are identical. Then we could say that they are congruent. Again, pay attention. If two triangles have an angle equal that is not included between two respectively equal sides, they are not congruent. We will find now the homologous elements of two congruent triangles. In this figure, we have the two congruent triangles ABC and A'B', C'. They are congruent by side angle side. Then, our homologous elements are the homologous angles, angle B and B', angle B is equal to angle B', angle A and A', angle A is equal to angle A'. Now, the homologous sides, sides AB and A'B', these two sides are equal. Then, these are our homologous elements for these two congruent triangles. It's the application time. Please, prepare your draft sheets, pencils, rulers, and your math book. In our first application, we have the triangles ABC and RGK are equal. We should complete the following table. Please fill this table with the homologous vertices, the homologous sides, and the homologous angles. We will share the solution. The solution is as follows. We will begin with the homologous vertices. They are A and G, B and K, C and R. Our homologous sides are side AB and side GK, side AC and side GR, side BC and side KR. Our homologous angles are angle ABC and angle GKR, angle ACB and angle GRK, angle BAC and angle KGR. Our second application, please again prepare your sheets and your rulers. Let ABC be an isosceles triangle with main vertex A. M and N are respectively the midpoints of segment AB and segment AC. We need to prove that the two triangles BMC and BNC are congruent. Please take 5 minutes to prove these two triangles congruent, and then we will share the solution. This is our solution. The two triangles BMC and BNC have side BM is equal to side NC, since AB is equal to AC, and M and N are respectively the midpoints of sides AB and side AC. Angle NCB is equal to MBC, because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. These are its base angles. Now, BC is clearly the common side between these two triangles. And now, since we have our three elements, we could say that these two triangles are congruent by the rule side angle side. We are going now to review together the methods that we took to prove that two triangles are congruent. To prove that two triangles are congruent, we should get using the given one of these three cases: side, 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 side angle side, and angle side angle. To do this, we must follow the following steps. To prove that two triangles are congruent, we first must compare their sides using the given. After we compare the sides, we will get three possibilities. The first one is that we will have only one equal side. Once we have one equal side, we will move then to compare their angles using the given. We have to find two equal angles. Then we could say in this case that the two triangles are congruent according to angle side angle case. The second possibility is that we will have two equal sides respectively. Once we have these two equal sides, we will then move to compare their angles using the data that we have to find an equal angle. It is enough to have two equal sides and one equal angle included between them to say then that they are congruent according to side angle side case. The third possibility is when we have three respectively equal sides. In this case, do not compare the angles, we're not going to use them. It is enough to have three equal sides to say that these triangles are congruent according to the side, side, side case. Our homework is to solve exercises 15 and 17, page 170 in the book. Our expected time is 15 minutes. Thank you for following.